If I'm not talking in this video, guys, I'm just letting you know I'm losing my voice so bad. I'm at the point that I may have strep. I'm not sure what happened. I was not expecting to get sick, but apparently I am, so if you wanted to see this tutorial we're gonna do, just keep on watching and just watch what I'm gonna do, because I'm not gonna do that much today. So yeah, let's go. Like, I just took some medicine, so hopefully that'll help. But if it doesn't, hopefully my doctor will give me antibiotics tomorrow. And hopefully we find out if I do have my arthritis back, because I've been in pain. So I'm going to be using different palettes here. Like, I'm using my Tarte just for a base. But, and I said I was not going to talk in this video, but I am. Like, I've been like this for like a month. But like now with the voice, like my voice has been fine. Like, it's just started with the nose and now it's like going towards like the whole head and my voice and the cold weather. So it's not really bad. Like, my acne kind of cleared up a little, but I don't think it will. And I'm gonna grab my other palette. And it's not the Modern or the Naked or the Tarte. It's a surprise palette. Hold on. I figured we could give this one another chance. I have it, so this is my Jaclyn Hill palette. I just got this maybe a week ago, I think. So I'm gonna switch the brush out. I want to try again, but using that pencil brush on a shadow. I want to deepen her up though. I'm taking this one, I think. Jazz. I figured we'd do my Valentine's Day video now, so that's what we're basically doing. And I'm trying to keep this video under a certain amount of that because I don't feel good. And I don't want to continue doing this. Or I do want to continue filming. It's just I don't want to continue doing this if I lose my voice even more. If you understand. Okay. I'm gonna grab the shade above. I think that's Hunts. Like, I'm not gonna wear this out. I'm just doing the video. And I'm gonna get pink in there. So. I think I have a better pink. I bet we got a palette. I think I just mastered that. I'm trying to do like thin line now. Maybe mustard. Now that well on the side was fine. Wait, where is it? I need my handy dandy friend. Since we went Valentine's Day, I'm on red. This was so pretty. thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this Valentine's Day video, just give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys real soon for Valentine's Day next month, because it's here. And we'll be doing more tutorials like this with more pinks and purples and the bright color as always. Okay, bye guys.